everybody, so we're going to do a siblings tag but with a Nigerian twist.
Yes. Okay, so
let's start.
We have questions, so we're gonna start. So and this is our brother Junior. You ready?
Let's begin.
Who is the oldest?
This one likes to think he's the oldest, but
No,
I
yes,
am
you
the
do.
oldest. You like to think you're the oldest.
I am the oldest. I'm 23.
I'm 21.
I'm 11.
Okay, well that's the question. Who's the youngest?
This one.
Junior's the youngest.
I was the youngest for almost 10 years, and then this one came in, change it up.
Yeah.
It's not a bad thing though, but we had to adjust. As everybody should know, when one struggles along a lot later, you have to adjust. But yeah, well, it is a good adjustment, a good addition.
Yeah, I guess so.
Anyways, okay. What tribe are you?
Good.
I don't know how to say
Wait,
it.
what do you mean? Just say
What tribe are you?
Johto? Is that right?
No, our tribe is our language.
Yeah.
Oh, Igbo.
Look at
Can you say out loud?
Alright, Igbo.
Or
Igbo. Say Igbo tribe.
Igbo Queno.
Hey.
Quesueno.
Hey.
Quesueno.
Get it?
Okay, yeah, I get it now.
Okay, we're Igbo, just for anybody.
Yeah.
He just had like a slight memory.
He's talking about our village. But.
Yeah. He's 11, okay, guys?
What is your Nigerian name? My Nigerian name is Ifeamachuku.
My Nigerian name is Okechukwu.
My Nigerian name is Nkiruka.
What?
Nkiruka means that,
Okay.
that the best is yet to come, that the future is bright, and that good things are to come to you in the future.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
Okay.
it does. Actually, yes, it does.
My
It
name.
it really does mean that.
My name means
Look it up.
God's gift,
Same here.
and Junior's name means God's gift also. Okay. Were you born in Nigeria?
No.
I wasn't born in Nigeria.
None of us were born in Nigeria.
None of us. We're born here. In the
Don't-
U.S. of A.
Don't underestimate us though, because
Yes.
a lot of people think
Because I
we
am
were
a
born-
Nigerian citizen.
A lot of people think that we were born in Nigeria because
Yeah.
we speak Igbo, we understand Igbo, we know a lot about where we live and things like that. So people are always like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe you guys were not born in Nigeria." So.
Yep. What's your favorite memory together?
Oh gosh.
So who wants to go? Junior, you go first.
I don't know.
Our favorite memory, the three of us, anytime, anywhere.
Okay. I have to say the fox.
I forgot about that.
Okay, so tell the story.
Tell the
and
story.
speak up.
So like we were
Look at the
riding.
camera.
Camera, speak up. Open your mouth.
Okay.
Enunciate.
So like Iffy and Inky were talking.
Where were we talking?
We were talking in the garage, and then I was riding my scooter, like by the court by your house, and I saw a fox, and then I was like, I got scared, and then I started running.
He dropped the scooter and
Got
ran.
the scooter and ran, and then Iffy and Inky followed.
No, you didn't tell the story right. Okay, so
Yeah,
let me tell you. You didn't tell it right. Okay, so our mom wasn't there, so like there was an empty space in the garage. So I was sitting inside the garage on my bike, and Ify was sitting in the garage on her bike, and Junior was like outside the garage on his scooter. I had my back to the outside, and Ify was facing me and had her front to the outside, so she could see outside, but I couldn't. So Junior saw the fox, dropped his scooter, and ran inside. And Ify saw the fox because she was facing outside. But of course, I was the last to know that there was anything going on. So of course, they both ran into the house. And when I finally turned and saw the fox, they were already inside the house. And I ran to the door, and she was closing the door on me. She was closing the door on me. I tripped over my bike, fell, and I was trying to like climb to the door. And she was closing the door on me, closing it on me. I was still out there.
It was like 5 years ago.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it 5?
I don't know.
Yeah, I was like 6, 5 years ago.
Maybe it was 5 years ago. But all I know is that they ran and they were closing the door before I got inside. They weren't even worried if I got inside or not.
Okay. Okay.
I would say one of our favorite memories together, all of us, was when we went to Italy. Because we acted the fool. We acted the fool in that hotel in Italy.
We did?
Yes, we did. And they had to call and tell us to calm down.
Oh, yeah.
We were just, I don't know. The walls also really thin in Italy. The beds were just small. Like, there was no good channels on the TV. It was nighttime, we were bored, and because of the time change, we were up when it was nighttime. So we were just laughing, making noise, and like the front desk had to come and tell us we had to calm down.
Oh.
So that was one of my favorite memories, because like, just foreign country having fun.
Okay, next question. When was the last time you were in Nigeria?
2009.
Yeah, Grandma's birthday.
Grandma's 80th birthday
Celebration. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. She was 80th birthday.
Yeah. What is your favorite memory in Nigeria?
I said it.
Oh, too many. No, that's not.
No,
There's so many good memories
Favorite
in Nigeria.
memory.
So many.
When we
good
went on the
memories.
road. Oh no!
What?
No.
What's your favorite?
It's a funny memory.
What?
I know mine.
Remember that one taxi driver?
If he yelled, oh God, I don't have a cell phone. Oh gosh.
That's funny.
You know, my favorite memory. One of my favorite memories in Nigeria is the Turkish delights.
What's that?
Wait, what's that? Turkish delights, remember? Okay, so our uncle Theodore. Well, his name is Theodore, but you know how Nigerians are. Uncle Theodore. He gave us, like, we went to Nigeria and like we didn't have any snacks or anything, so he was trying to offer us something to eat, as you know Nigerians normally do. So he offered us like this box of like delicacy.
It was like powdery.
This was be like delicacy, like candy things. So we took it, because I mean, you're not gonna say no, I don't want it. We took it, and then we'll open the box later. When we got back to our hotel, we opened the box. Like we just wanted snacks, so we opened the box. It was called Turkish Delight. These were the nastiest, like prune fruit gelatin squares with like powder on top. Oh my God, it was so nasty. But it was a very memorable moment in Nigeria, if you ask me.
Okay, I got one.
Okay, go
You
ahead.
remember when the the cattle got away?
Wait.
Oh my God.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh. We had, if you tell a story.
Okay, so we had and like it was for, I think, was it
It's for
presents?
the holiday. It was for the holiday.
For
like,
Christmas holiday.
Yeah.
So someone gave us 2 oxen for a present. So, and the oxen were still alive.
Is it oxen or ox?
Ox. But there's more oxen.
Yeah.
Oh, it's oxen plural?
Yeah, oxen.
So
they brought
I didn't know oxen was plural.
So they brought oxen. So there's 2 of them, and they were alive. So they brought them on leases into like our compound.
Yeah.
Okay. So me, Inky, and my cousin Chidal, we were out there like watching. Oh, the oxen are here and stuff.
Yeah.
We're watching them, and then I don't remember anything that happened after that.
Okay, so our cousin Bartholomew, if you're asking Nigerians, our cousin Bartholomew was like helping the gatemen like tie the oxen up to the trees that were like in the front of our compound, and we were watching from the garage. So we were like, okay, well it was an interesting experience because we've never really had one-on-one contact like that with like cattle. So we were like, okay, is it safe? You know, they're just, you know, making noise, just looking at us. We were like, is it safe? Are they gonna stay over there? You're not gonna get away? They're like, no, it's safe. It's safe. We were over by the oxen, and we proceeded to walk away. So we turned our backs and started walking away. Our cousin looked back, and these things were charging at us. They had ripped the rope off the tree, and they were charging at us. And we ran. Somebody lost a shoe and fell. Oh my God! People saw the light flash before their eyes.
Remember Chidalo? She just dropped to the floor.
I know. She
just like, take me.
She thought she was done. She thought her life was done. We were like, get up. We're like, it's not done. Just get up. And then the gateman ended up getting the oxen, and we were all safe. No injuries or anything like that. But it's pretty ironic because we were talking about it right before it happened. Like, are they gonna get out? They just assured us they were safe. The next thing you know, like, they're running. They're charging us. Yeah.
Okay. Favorite Nigerian food?
Who wants to go first?
You.
Me?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay. I have too many favorite.
I know. It's hard to narrow
Maybe
just
like
one.
one.
Pepper soup is my favorite. That's my favorite.
That's a good one.
That's my favorite. I could go for that right now.
Junior?
Suya.
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 I love suya.
Suya. Okay, I have 2. Sorry guys, I can't pick between these 2. My favorite would have to be okra soup and moi moi. I have those 2. Like, I could eat those every day. I really could.
I could eat pepper soup
The
every day.
best. The best. My mom makes the best moi moi. The best.
She does. Like
the best.
the best.
Suya.
The
The
best.
best.
And only. I never
Yes.
ate anyone else's moi moi.
I
just
have,
like my mom.
and it wasn't good. It was
Because the way it looks, like if your momo looks bad, I'm not eating it.
I
If
like
it's
when
white, if you have chunks.
I don't like when people put like corned beef. First of all, I don't even know what corned beef is.
Corned beef.
Second of all, why would you
or
put it?
egg.
Why would you ruin a perfect moi moi with corned beef or eggs? Just
or-
leave it plain. Let the moi moi speak for
And
itself.
first it has to be the right color.
Yeah, but I feel like
If it's white,
I feel like, you know what I feel like? I feel like people don't know how to make moi moi well. They don't know how to season it properly. They put extra things in there to make it taste right. But if you make moi moi perfectly, you don't need corned beef. You don't need egg. You don't need all of that stuff.
No.
Just eat the straight moi moi like it
And my
is.
mom makes the best.
The
like
best.
if you think if you think that you know someone that makes better moi moi, come to me. I'll prove you wrong.
She'll prove you wrong. My mom is the best.
Do you have any step siblings?
No.
No. Do you have nicknames for each other?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do.
Junior! Okay.
Junior has the most. He has the
Junior
before he was even born. He
Junior
had
had
multiple
nicknames.
nicknames before he was even born.
Junior had like first Junior is his nickname.
Yeah, Junior.
Junior.
He has my dad's name, so obviously we call him Junior.
We always call him Junior, Juju, J Boy,
Juju B,
Junior Boy,
Junebug, JB, J-Man.
I don't know.
Yeah.
What else? Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
JR.
Yeah, JR, yeah. We wanted to call him OJ, but mom said she doesn't want to be associated with OJ Simpson, so, you know, Okechukwu Jr. OJ, but, you know,
Yeah.
one day maybe. Okay, we'll go with you.
I call Junior my little J Boy.
Or you can switch around OJ and say call me Joe.
No.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, so what's your nickname? I call her Piffy.
P-Forma.
P-Forma.
Oh,
Piffy.
God.
Don't ask why, just stupid
Look,
stuff.
call you like Nikaruka and
No.
No.
yeah.
No.
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 Inky's nickname is, I call her Nike.
Nike.
I don't know what, you know, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
I called Inky Nike. Dumbo.
Oh.
Nikru. I call her Inky Nikru.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nike, Nikru, and Dumbo. That's Inky's name.
Yeah, abuse, that's what it's called. Next.
Wait, what do you call Inky?
That's Inky.
Yeah, he doesn't call me anything.
Okay. Alright. Name something you have in common.
Well, I want to say that we've been told that our voices all sound the same.
Yeah. On the phone.
On the phone.
All our voices sound the
Yeah,
same.
my mom has a hard time distinguishing our voices on the phone.
Mm-hmm. Okay, name something you like to do together.
Play video games.
Video games. Yeah.
Slumber parties.
Slumber parties in the basement. Where we currently are right now. We're having a slumber party in
Slumber
the basement.
party.
Playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Get it.
Oh, you didn't say it right.
Yeah, I did Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's right.
My bad.
Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Call of Duty M-Dubs 3. Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
That's slang.
Oh, really? Okay.
MW.
Okay. Are you close? Yes.
You can say
I
that.
think we're close.
Yeah.
I talk to Inky and June every day. So, yeah.
That's the last question.
No.
Oh.
Okay. June, do you think we're close?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, we spend a lot of time together, I guess. We keep in touch.
We keep in touch.
Okay, funniest memory.
Ah! It's,
You have one?
I'm still thinking about that taxi driver.
I have a funniest memory. So, you guys probably won't know exactly until I start telling the story. So, we have this rule in our house that, like, can't eat in the living room.
Oh!
Dumbo, dumbo, dumbo. Let me tell the story, and then you can interject. Let me tell the story. So we have this rule in the house: we don't eat in the living room. But like, I live in my own apartment. My sister lives in her own apartment. We eat in our own living rooms when we're there. So when we come home, sometimes we're like, okay, well, I can drink this water in the living room. It's not really a big deal. So I think we were like drinking something in the living room. My brother was like, my brother, what did he do? He had an apple, so he came into the living room with an apple too, thinking he could sit down and eat the apple on the chair. But you know how little kids are. Apple juice, hands get sticky, couch gets sticky. Like, we're just like, excuse me, like, you need to get up and go to the table with that apple. So he got mad because we were drinking something in the living room and we told him to leave. So he went down and told my mom, told on us and told my mom that we were drinking in the living room. So then he came back upstairs. I guess my mom told him that told him to tell us to get out of the living room. So he came back upstairs and was like, get out! Get out! And then he dropped the apple and went and rolled on the ground. So we always like imitate the story is we go, get out! Get out! Dumble, dumble, dumble. That we were in the living room that he was so angry that his apple fell. He lost control of the apple and it rolled. Oh my goodness.
That was
yeah.
funny.
You only think it's funny because it's you.
I personally, that was one of the funniest experiences that we both had together because that was legendary. That was epic.
Oh my
10 years from now we'll be talking about that. That was epic.
Oh my god.
Wait, what else is funny?
Okay, you can tell yours. That was
You have
alright.
a funny story?
I don't know.
It doesn't get any better than that.
Do you have anything?
Get out.
That's the funniest.
Get out. Dumble, dumble, dumble.
I'm thinking.
Okay, go to the next one. Next one.
I guess. Okay.
Go, next one.
Okay. Best Nigerian party you ever went to?
Chicago.
What
You
year?
have to be more specific than that.
What year? And like, what party was it for?
No, it might have been the Kyoto Convention in 2006.
When we had it here?
Yeah, that was good.
Well, actually, I would say
though.
When we went to Chicago for, was it Emmy's baptism or something?
Oh, they had it in their house?
Yeah.
Okay, that was one of the
That was one of the
Chicago.
best
yeah.
ones.
That was one of the best Nigerian
ones,
parties, yeah. Chicago.
At our
generally.
uncle.
Back in the day, used to be pretty good.
Yeah, back in our uncle's house, our cousin Emmy had his baptism. And that was a really good party. I remember the ice cream truck came and it got sold out.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It just parked right in front of the house and it was sold out.
Yeah.
Wait, didn't I get?
Yeah, you got. Okay, what one thing annoys you about the other?
Well, let's start with Ify.
Yeah.
go
The way
first.
you drink water, you burp a lot.
The way you burp and like
my
you just,
God.
the way you drink water. Like, let me demonstrate for the camera.
Inky.
This
Oh.
is I happen to have a bottle of water. This is what she does. And then she'll burp. And we just look at her like something is wrong with you. Junior, am I telling this true story?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can go now.
I think the most annoying thing is when we have to do something and Inky falls asleep.
I hate when people
Come on, Junior, right?
Yeah.
I hate when people wait till nighttime to get stuff done when I'm sleepy. I don't like working when I'm sleepy. I'll say that what annoys me about Junior is that you act mature, but then you have your babyish tendencies, and I'm like, I don't.
Your tantrums?
Yeah,
What?
This babyish tendencies that really, just conflict, and they're very annoying. Yeah.
What do you love most about Nigeria?
Nigeria's a fun place.
Yeah.
Nigeria's fun. It's
What I love the most, I think our house. I like our house the most.
Yeah, me too. It's a comfortable feeling. It's like a home. It's home, but just another home.
Yeah.
Home you don't get to see that often, so when you see it, it's like brings back memories.
Yeah, and like the little things too.
Okay, so what do you love about Nigeria, Jenna?
Like, there's some little things that
Like what?
it will seem stupid to you guys. but
No, just say it.
Like, I like how instead of a can, you have a bottle.
Oh.
Can you talk about like a can of soda in Nigeria? You have like a bottle, like a glass bottle,
Yeah.
like old school glass bottle of soda.
I like that.
What else?
Well, what I don't know.
You want to say water comes in the bag?
That's a good thing.
One thing I like about Nigeria is that the days last twice as long as they do here.
Yeah.
Days in Nigeria go on forever. Like you could wake up and you think okay, it's afternoon. It just drags out. I swear that 24 hours here, 24 hours in Nigeria is like 48 hours here. Like the days they last forever. They last forever. Even when we're asleep, it's like, is it time to wake up yet?
Yeah, I know.
I know it's probably due to time change, but it just seems like days last forever.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you hate most about Nigeria?
I know.
Good.
The church.
Church. Go ahead,
Church.
elaborate.
Why?
It's too long, and when we were there, it was already 2 hours. It was already 2 hours, and we didn't even get bread.
Oh,
All they're doing is donations.
Yeah, they do a lot of donations. This drags out church. What about you?
It's boring.
What I hate most about Nigeria, that it can not be. It's like not safe sometimes.
That's what I was gonna say. It's insane.
That's what I hate about. 'Cause everything else about Nigeria is good.
Pretty fun.
It's really good.
Rich culture, colorful people,
It's
beautiful
always
landscape,
fun
just
things.
things to do.
Things
but
to look at.
Safety. I hate that. I hate that it's not safe, so you can't always go to sea and do all these great things.
Yeah. Okay. Who is the best looking?
Me.
Me.
I am the best looking.
No.
Out of the bunch. I know, guys.
So you're the oldest in the.
I'm just gonna say everybody says they look like me, so.
What do you mean?
They're like a
what do you mean oldest?
replica
You're the
of what
oldest.
looks good.
The oldest is not gonna be it.
Oh,
Jenner, in your honest opinion, who's the best looking?
I don't know.
Do we look the same?
Me and you?
No, me and Nikki.
Nah. Inky looks more like a. Don't look good.
Yeah, but you know you look like Nikki.
But
So,
I don't
Junior, what
see
do I
that,
look
though.
like? I do.
Everybody says that Junior looks like me. I don't see that.
I can see
Yeah,
it. Like
Oh.
when you guys look at your side of your face, and like the way your cheek is, and compared to I don't know, just the way your face is.
Profile.
Yeah, like you can really tell by your profile.
Give him a profile shot so he can see. Turn this way.
No, go this way. Profile. Nikki, do profile. Okay, so what do I look like?
You have your own type of look.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
No.
No, it's not bad, but like you just have your own type of look.
So Junior, do me and Nikki look the same?
Not really.
You know, people thought we were twins for years.
I don't know.
I never saw that one.
So I don't look like anything?
You're like more darker.
But Junior,
Yeah,
you're
Inky's the lightest.
Yeah. Are you so light?
Inky was born clear.
Yeah, you were.
I always say Inky was born
What?
clear.
You were born.
I
We were
wasn't
born clear.
I wasn't born clear.
Yeah.
They're just hating on me.
Okay. Who is the most talented? I am. I'm the most talented in all facets of
I would say
life.
Junior is the most talented. I'm sorry, I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I'm the most talented.
Junior has all these talents that we never really acquired. It's like he plays guitar,
Yeah, I
he
guess
does
so.
karate, he plays football, basketball, soccer. Like
He can do like computer stuff.
He does computer graphics, video editing.
He can like download programs that aren't free.
Well, he plays video games. Like he has a lot of talents. I think that Junior is the most talented.
Yeah, he is the most talented. Like he
I mean, don't get me wrong.
he
I'm
has-
talented, but you know.
yeah, Junior is one. Junior has like a good ear for music. Like he can hear things.
Yeah.
good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Next.
That's the last question.
Yeah.
Well, this concludes the Siblings Tag Nigerian Style. You know, hit us up. This is how we do what we do. Nigerians do it best.
Yeah. So hope you guys had fun because we did.
Yeah, we did. This was fun.
Yeah.
Got
Maybe
it
we'll go back
together.
to playing video games.
Modern Warfare 3.
Yeah. And yeah. Anything else to
concludes
say,
it.
Junior?
Nope.